friends, welcome to my channel and look of the day. Check out my earrings. Actually, when I was walking down the street, one of the girls said, "You're looking very pretty in this dress. You're looking very beautiful in this dress." So today I got the maximum compliments in this. जा रहे हो आप लोग? Okay, bye. Have a nice day. See you. I'm just networking left, right, and center. I've never spoken to anybody so much in all these years, and suddenly I'm all over the place. I just need your good wishes because I'm going to start something which is very close to my heart. All the time I used to think ये मैं कैसे शुरू करूँ क्योंकि I used to be very afraid because things were not working out, and I'm just hoping and praying that things work out. I think it's evening. It's around 7 o'clock. Actually वो ना एक मेरी भाजी वाली की वो लड़की थी छोटी सी 8 months. उसको मुझे पकड़ I had caught her and I said I'll get you her chocolate. अभी मुझे धर्म संकट because I had all this bag with me and I was carrying the child and I said what will she eat, and she वो 5 रुपए के 5 stars होते हैं ना. Look that cute. She's so cute, you know. Looking so sweet and she was so comfortable. तो मैंने उसको मेरे हाथों से खिलाया 5 star. मैंने बोला मेरे साथ तू भी स्टार बन गई है. Kids are so. आज मैं when I went to the bank also there was this kid ना. I could not get her name but she was so sweet. I'm like this person who's like hair is looking quite stylish. It's 7 o'clock and it's so bright and nice. Am I looking cute? Am I looking cute? I'm just relaxing at the moment. You know, the weather is so beautiful today, and to be sitting in this park at 7 and it's so bright means the summers are so long. This is Inside ka lipstick. I don't know what shade is this, some sort of a shade which I used after a long time. Senior citizens group. They have a senior citizens group over here. You know, when you are a senior citizen, you should be peaceful and calm. चिड़चिड़े रहने से कुछ नहीं होता है. अभी you are at this point of life, you should like relax in life rather than just being all over the place. Today I had misal pav in the morning, so after that I didn't feel like eating anything. papaya भी नहीं खाया मैंने. फ्रूट्स तो खाए ही नहीं जाते हैं मुझसे. I just can't bring myself to eat much. Guys, movement is the only solution in life. You have to be like this Coke shamelessly promoting themselves. लोगों के सर के ऊपर बैठ जाओ. वैसे what Coke is doing, like being so pushy and bossy and just, you know, they're just invading everybody's space. वैसा होना चाहिए, shameless. Now I can handle communication. Earlier I was very, quite reserved. I actually didn't speak to much people. बट जो प्रोजेक्ट्स मेरे दिमाग के अंदर है ना, उसके लिए मुझे मैक्सिमम सपोर्ट चाहिए फ्रॉम पीपल. I think I'm going to collect my bag today and see what's up, what's happening. Just me and me and me and me. This is 6 minutes. I'll just wind up, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video, and trust me, there are times I am I'm just exhausted. I don't know what for, but I'm exhausted. It's been so much of emotional distress. It is not even just physical. It is emotional distress of years of having such a terrible life. So this point of my life now, I'm like, my systems are shutting down and restarting, shutting down, restarting, reset. So I have to go with the flow. I cannot push my boundaries too much. Having said that, I've always kept a morning routine, and nowadays I'm pushing myself. Last time also, when it used to rain, I used to go out of the house. I used to keep that movement. Okay, bye. Take care of yourselves. Bye.